What's up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Oxygen OS 12 full review running in the OnePlus 9R. So as you guys can see, this is my OnePlus 9R, and in today's video I'm going to talk about what are the things which are really awesome. But to be honest, this update as an overall update, I wouldn't say you should do it right now. It is actually, even though they have released a stable build, it is actually still in beta. Let me show you the first and the biggest bug. Let's say you open Instagram. Okay, there you go. And as soon as I will scroll Instagram a little bit, you will see it will crash automatically. So let's just say I open a reel. Yeah, I'm watching a reel, right? And then you will see, yeah, there you go, it just crashed. So this is a problem, and you know what, it's a very serious problem because it has been crashing since since I have updated to this official stable update. So that is very bad. They should definitely fix this issue. It's a very big issue. But in terms of the audio quality in Bluetooth devices, I faced zero problems. Bluetooth is working absolutely fine, no problems in that. But there is one thing more I noticed, that is the fingerprint scanner speed isn't that fast. So if I just tap, at times I feel like it's slower. So yeah, as you guys have seen, it was actually a little more faster in the Oxygen OS 11. So that is one thing which you need to keep in mind. Then the Gcam is just amazing. Like, it is working the way it should work. Literally, the ultra wide angle camera is also working. So if you want a video on that, make sure you subscribe and comment down below. If this video hits 500 likes, I'm definitely going to make a video where I will tell you how to download the Gcam. But yeah, other than that, we have the stock camera, which is really awesome. But yeah, they have done zero improvements in this as well. Basically, it's just the same Oxygen OS 11 camera, which is okay, to be honest, because it does capture really nice detailed shots. But the thing is, when you're giving a very big OS update, you should actually update every element, not just one or two. That's what I think. And then we have another issue in this ROM, that is in YouTube. Now what the issue is, that when you scroll in YouTube, you feel like it is stuck to 60 hertz. And that is not a very big issue, to be honest, but it is an issue to note, because normally in the Oxygen OS 11 it was working in 120 hertz even in YouTube while scrolling, and that felt really nice and smooth. But here it is stuck. So that is one thing. And yeah, the Instagram issue is very, very bad. Like, it is literally making me go back to the Oxygen OS 11. But for the sake of the videos and to give you lots of tips and tricks of this OS, I'm not going. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe. It will be awesome. And then we have the other part, that is the launcher. Yeah, this is actually very fishy. Let me show you. If I go here and go in settings, right, I don't know why I have a different version of the launcher. So let me show you. Look at that. It's here, I think, as well. You guys can see, if you can, I guess you can. Let me just try to zoom in. That is a ColorOS launcher. And now it is basically saying, even in the settings, that it is a ColorOS launcher. Earlier they actually didn't say that. Okay, now that is even bad. Like, they are just declaring that yeah, they are using the ColorOS launcher, you will no longer get the Oxygen OS launcher. And that is even sad for those who were hoping like maybe in the future they will improve. Yeah, just hope. It is not going to happen. Then overall, the animations are nice and fast, no problems in that. It's just a smooth, fluid, it works nicely all the time. And yeah, all the apps actually work nicely except a few, as I told you. And yeah, the worst one is the Instagram, because yeah, this is an app which I think everyone almost uses, and when you can't use it nicely, you will feel very bad. That is one thing. When overall the OS is smooth. And yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you, that is the haptic vibrations have improved for sure. Even if you type, I don't know if you will be able to hear it or not, but it is very nice. And yeah, haptic vibrations are a very big part of the UI. Scrolling here and there also gives you a very bold vibration. I know it was present in the Oxygen OS 11, but this one is a lot more bolder and a lot more subtle to feel. Yeah, to be honest, it is just better. And then we have the alert slider. It's working perfectly fine, no problems in that. And one more issue I wanted to discuss about here is the delay in notifications. Let's say someone messaged me on WhatsApp, there is a delay, and I get that message after like 6 hours, and that is very annoying. And I'm gonna tell you honestly, all my Insta chats, basically I don't want to show you, but all my Insta chats, I never got a message on time in this ROM, the Oxygen OS 12. I don't know why it's happening, but it is one thing you should know. And then we also have a very strange thing in the setting, that is in the colors. Let me go in display settings. You guys can see we have the screen color mode. Here in this screen color mode, the natural one looks the worst, like literally now the display looks the worst in real eyes. Then the vivid one is kinda nice, but you know the best one, go in pro mode, then either do cinematic, it will look great, and or you can do one more thing, that is you can do it to brilliant. This is just gonna bring that color vibrancy out of the way. And to be honest, if you're not that color geeky, this is gonna be the best looking display you will get, and it does look better than the OxygenOS 11 for sure. Then we have the hole punch adaptation, that is perfect. Like this ROM has that perfect hole punch adaptation, no doubt it's perfect. It works awesome all the time. I'd never faced any issue where the hole punch is not like in the center or some problems like that. No problems in that issue. And then yeah, the overall smoothness is nice, no problems in that. And yeah, the gallery app is working absolutely fine, so that is one thing you need to know. And we have a lot of changes. Normally, like this app is changed a very slight bit, like now if you swipe down, at times you feel a bit of vibration. I don't know if you will feel or not, because this one is the latest version. And then yeah, normal things are nice. So overall, now let's look on the Geekbench scores, because have they actually improved or not? And here if you go in history, you guys can see I did on 21st March. Let me show you. This is the score. Am I pleased with it? To be honest, it's good, not bad. But 990 is a bit low, I think, according to me, to be honest, because yeah, the 9 is having 1068, this is 990. But I think it is showing a lower score because it should be above 1000. That's what I think. You guys are the judge, of course. Then 3034 is excellent, no doubt, it's better. But yeah, the 865 is performing better than this one. Why on earth? I don't know, but this is the truth. Look at that. 865, 3119, and here we have R, which is 3034. So that is very unique. So that's pretty much it for today's video. This was a quick little video, that a full review where I wanted to tell you about the bugs in this ROM. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. And yes, I'm going to cover up the biggest features and the changes in this ROM. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.